Once you get your bottom panels removed off, we're going to go through some of your components here. You have your 200 amp hour battery. Here's your junction box where you're going to land your 110 power. You have your spring banks. Down here is your cylinder, your counterbalance, your bearing, and your encoder. Now that you've removed these two bottom panels, your gate is mounted to your arm. You're ready to tension your springs. First step you want to do is remove the clevis pin out of the clevis. This detaches your cylinder from your actuator arm. Once you move down here, the back here you have your spring tensioning. There is a 3/8 bolt in each gear that needs to be removed that locks your gear in. The top nut is an 1.25 inch nut. You tighten that nut and you will pull your springs back. When you purchase your operator, depending on the weight of your gate, it may ship with 4 up to 12 springs in your operator. It's important that when you're tensioning these springs that you're tensioning them evenly as you come back and you're not over tightening one side over the other. But also, it's very important that you don't tension these over 49 inches. If you tension them over 49 inches, you avoid the warranty on your springs. After you get your springs tensioned, you're looking for your gate to start to raise on its own. If you find that you've tensioned your springs up to 49 inches and your gate still hasn't raised, then it's time to come down here and adjust your slide. You have a 3/8 bolt here on the inside that's on top and a 3/8 bolt that's on the face on the bottom. That 3/8 bolt locks on to your 2x6 arm to keep the slide in place. This piece of all thread is used to bring your slide up. And by bringing your slide up, you're changing the leverage point of your springs, thus increasing your spring pull. All you need to do is loosen this 3/4 nut here that's underneath and start to tighten the one down on the top and it'll bring your slide up. Now that you've pulled your springs and your gate is balanced, it's important that this 3/8 bolt that you took out goes back in to keep your gear locked in.